skier picks up her gold. USA adds to its medal count. Good evening and thank you so much for joining us. I'm Artie O'Neill. The Winter Olympics Games is complete and Team USA adds to its medal count. It has been a strong start to the American team, which has already skated into Olympic history. Jay Gray
What?
Dude,
What?
what are you doing, bro?
What are you doing?
You're over here sawing in logs in half.
No, I'm not.
Dude,
Bullshit.
you're tearing them down, bro. Randy,
What?
you can't go to bed, bro.
Why not?
You're not allowed.
Bullshit.
If you go to sleep, let the raccoon in.
Good. I fucking need something to cuddle up next to anyway.
We're gonna get his ass right now.